Great, sir. Now we have the digital man of IMA, our Honorable Secretary General, Dr. K.K. Agarwal, to make it digitally viable appreciation.
Thank you for not giving me 3 minutes. And I was counting, Vinay was short by a couple of minutes, others are also short, so I may take 1 minute extra. So our National President, Dr. S.S. Agarwal, our leader, Dr. Ketan Desai, other dignitaries on the rise, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just going to share with you my personal experience with Ketan Desai. And that will answer what exactly he is. First of all, my journey in IMA is all because of him. I started when I was DMA president in 2005. I came across, I knew him at that particular time, and after that I became AMS chairman, AKL Sinha, then finance secretary, then vice president, then honorary secretary general, and then president. When I called him up early in the morning that the day honorary secretary general was to be decided, he says, okay, come and meet me at 7 o'clock. So, like any god, he tested me for 2 hours, he made me wait for 2 hours sitting outside. At 9 o'clock he called up. So first of all he wanted to see whether I was irritable or not, whether I have patience or not, to wait for him. And then obviously he gave me a chance, and my honorary secretary general, maybe he has seen something and he has now selected me to lead, under his leadership, to lead IMA next year. So I'm grateful to you and to, for this particular thing. And of course my year is going to be in the history, because I'm going to be the president of a time when our Ketan Desai is the World Medical Association president. So whenever he is being remembered, this year will also be remembered. So I take it as an advantage to me and as a privilege to me. I happened to go with him in international tours, maybe in the last 2 years, many. And in one tour I had the privilege of being with him alone. Instead, me and he were together for 2-3 days. I'm going to quote a couple of things which he always says. First thing he always says is that he is यारों का यार और दोस्तों का दोस्त. He says, इस उम्र में आप दोस्त नहीं बना सकते. He says, जो आपके दोस्त हैं उनके साथ निभाओ. He says, at this particular age, whatever friends you have made them. Don't make new friends, and be committed to them, listen to them, and be with them, and be happy with them. He is very fond of children. And in Gujarat, every Sunday, the whole colony children, he will take them for a movie. And they all will be after him. Uncle, picture kaun si dikha rahe ho? Uncle, picture kaun si dikha rahe ho? And he is one person who sees one movie every week. I don't know how many of you know or not. And he likes to carry on with children and see that movie. So he may be a big person, but he also has a small childish Ketan inside, where he loves children and like to love with the children, and that speaks about him. He's a disciplined. Whenever I have seen him, whenever he needs, now he wanted that in IMA as a WMA president, he wanted to be slim, so he made sure that he reduces 20 kg. And he reduced more than 20 kg. More than 20 kg, and so that discipline is lacking in most of us. If we are overweight, we don't want to reduce, and we can't, and he's reduced it without doing an obesity surgery with that. He's persistent, and you have seen it. Yesterday he was telling me, he says, and we were talking to each other, the hardship he has gone through. If any one of us would have been there, either we would have committed suicide, or we would have gone into depression, or we would have left the medical profession. But he is persistent. No, if I am principally right, I am going to fight, fight and fight. That's a lesson I learned, that for your rights, always fight, fight and fight. He is a friend when in need. He is a mentor. All of us wants to become like him. So he is a mentor for us. He is a guru because he teaches from the heart, not from the mind. I know whenever I have spoken to him, I have never seen him getting angry. Many times in the morning he says, तुमने ऐसा क्यों कर दिया? My answer used to be, गलती करके तो सीखूंगा. And if I am not going to make mistakes, then I would have been Ketan Desai and not K.K. Agarwal. So therefore, and every time he will answer you, and he will suggest you, and he will guide you all the time, and he will guide you what not to do, and he will always give you a political advice to speak less. जितना कम बोलोगे उतना अच्छा है. That's the message he gives. I was reading a Vedanta book, and I was listening to Deepak Chopra, and Deepak Chopra defines a personality into 7 types of leaders. He says, first level of leaders, he sees his book, Talk to the God and everything, and he talks about 7 types of leaders. The leaders are, the first type of leaders are who are fight or flight. जब भी difficulty आएगी, मारो या भागो. Either they will hit or they will run away. The second type of leaders are reactive. They will always do fault finding. कि मेरी तो गलती है ही नहीं, जो है गलती दूसरे की है. The third type of leaders are restful alertness. Restful alertness means nothing happens to them. बुरा हो गया तो भी वैसे के वैसे है, अच्छा हो गया तो भी के वैसे वैसे है. Nothing happens to them. That's called a restful alertness personality. And then they are intuitive personality. For them, every difficulty, every adversity is an opportunity. So they start thinking, why did it happen to me? What's the lesson? What the God is lesson giving to me? They are intuitive personality. Then they are creative personality. They convert that adversity into a positive. So whatever difficulty comes, they convert it into their own benefit. That is called creative personality. Then visionary personality, they always talk about the nation. And then sacred personalities, like you are a saint or a god. Let's see what Ketan Desai is. For 2 minutes. Fight and flight? No. I've never seen him run away. Whether CBI is there, whether he's there here or there, I've never seen him run away. So he doesn't belong to fight and flight response. Is he reactive? Is he finding faults all the time of others? I don't think so. Any one of you will complain that whenever he talks to you, he reacts. Is he restful alertness? Yes, nothing happens to him. Nothing happens to him. I says that article has come in BMJ, he says let it come. I said that licensed person is writing this, he says let him write, that is his job, let him write. He doesn't react. Whether he is happy or lost, he doesn't react. Is he intuitive? Yes. He is very intuitive. He can at any time he will be able to judge others and he will be able to read minds of the people and he will never be wrong. He says ऐसा हो रहा है आज सुबह भी उन्होंने मुझे फोन पे बोला कि एक फोन आ रहा है बोले ये होगा और वही हुआ. I'm not narrating the incidents and he converts every adversity into intuitiveness to start thinking why it is happening to me. He analyzes every adversity. Is he creative? Yes. Definitely he is creative. He converts every adversity into an opportunity. Whatever has happened, he is WMA president. Every odds he has gone through. He is creative. He is visionary. Visionary means he has taken IMA from national to an international level. So he is sacred are the people who are sent. I don't call him as sent because he is still a human being. He has not left his wife and he is still living a married life. So from my point of view, as a leader, he will belong to the highest level of leader. I salute him. Thank you.